I am not a registered investment, legal, tax, broker, or dealer. All opinions expressed by me are mine, my own, and how I trade, and my thoughts and my ideas. You need to consult your own professional, you need to do your own due diligence, and you invest your money wisely. Investing has risk. You will see. Do your own research, do your own due diligence. Don't hold me liable. I'm just expressing my own ideas. Do your own due diligence. Here's my option watch list for March 5th, 2021. BYND. We're looking for calls over 140.53 is when we look to get in. GameStop, she's starting to do the squeeze up thing, right? Like here to here, here to here, here to here. So over 149, what is it? 148, we can start to get some fireworks. PLTR, we're looking to get over 25.5, and yeah, we could start to get a trend reversal. PNC, we're looking to go long over 175, and VMware, we're looking to go long over 140. The market's been chopped up the last couple of days. The problem is, if you buy puts now, you might be shorting the bottom, which is bad. Go see the load video. Good luck, have fun.